Yo, what up YouTube? It's me, Papa G from What's Everybody. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing all the colors for the brand new Beats Studio Buds. Yeah, so I do have them in the color black. Also in the color red, which looks beautiful. And the last color is actually in the color white, as you can see right there in front of you guys. So I did get every single color. So if you guys are ready for this video, don't forget to like this video and let's get this going. Now, before we get into the unboxing, if you guys could do me a huge favor by liking this video, it would help me tons. It would actually spread this channel to other people. So no further ado, let's get this going. So as you can see in the front, of course, we do have three different colors, which is the white, red, and also black. So the new Beats Studio Buds actually come in three different colors. So what we're gonna do is actually unbox the black one first. So as you can see by the box itself, it's super small. Packaging wise, to be honest with you guys, it kind of feels really cheap. Like super cheap. So I don't know if they wanted to save money on the packaging, but it feels super cheap for $150 earbuds. It's super cheap packaging. Now over here, of course, it does say Beats. We do have the nice color of the Beats Studio Buds, which is all in black, as you can see, which they do have ANC, which is active noise cancellation. It does work with your iPhone, iPad. There you go. And then on the back, we do have a couple of features about these earbuds as well. So no further ado, let's open this up. So we do have this nice little tab that all Apple products actually have. Boom, just like that. And once we open this up, we do have your earbuds and some other things as well. So like I said, the packaging wise is really awful. So first thing inside the box is gonna be your charging case with the earbuds right there on the back. And then on the other side, we do have your manual. There you go, okay. And then we also have a couple of things. So we do have Apple Music, there you go, try it for free. We also have some other things as well. A Beats sticker, that's awesome, love that. And some warranty information. And it looks like that's everything inside this little sleeve. But on the other side, you actually have your USB Type-C cable to actually charge it. And you actually have some different type of ear tips as well. And back to the earbuds. So let's take out the charging case. Here we go. There you go. So the first thing you're gonna see is the Beat by Beats. There you go. That's awesome, man. So I definitely like the charging case. Looks pretty cool. We got this nice matte finish all around. At the bottom, of course, you do have your charging port. There you go. And then the B for Beats, which is actually embossed. And as soon as you open them, you do have the Beats Studio Buds. So let's actually take them out so you guys can see them better. So as you can see, we got this nice glossy finish on the top, which is actually a dedicated button. So yeah, so as soon as you press it once, stops the music, press it again, plays the music, double play, it's gonna skip the song. But I definitely like that is actually a dedicated button. So we do have the Beat by Beats right there. We got that nice matte finish with this glossy finish. So the design is actually different, but I kind of like it. I kind of do like it. There you go. So these are the black Beat Studios Buds. So what we're gonna do next is actually unbox the red ones. So here we go. So we're gonna put that to the side. And basically the reds has the same thing. The red color in the front, which is my favorite color, of course. And as soon as we open these up, because I actually did already, I couldn't wait. So I open them. You do get the same thing inside the box, which is your charging cable, some different sizes of ear tips. And then you do get a Beats by Dre sticker as well, some Apple Music stickers, not Apple Music stickers, but you know what I'm saying, a code for Apple Music if you guys want to try that on. But this charging case looks amazing in red. I definitely dig it in this color red. Looks beautiful. As you can see, we got that B for Beats emboss. Oh my god, this nice matte finish that goes all around this red charging case. At the bottom, of course, you do have your charging port. And then as soon as you open them, bam. Oh my god, look at that color right there. That red color is something else. So here we do have the red earbuds. So we got that nice matte finish and the top glossy finish once again. So the earbuds themselves, like I said, design-wise, they don't look bad at all. So we do have this weird design going with these Beats Studio Buds, but they actually look really, really good in this color. So I definitely like this color a lot. And the last color for the Beats Studio Buds is this white finish. So I know a lot of people like white earbuds. You might like these Beats Studio Buds in this color white. So let's open this up. All right, here we go. So far, I'm digging the red color. I'm digging the red color. All right, so let's take out this. So like I said, the packaging wise could have been better. It just feels so cheaply made. So in the back, of course, you do have your charging cable. Same thing with the ear tips over here in this nice box. Some Apple stickers, not Apple stickers, Beat stickers, your manual, so how it works. And then on the other side, of course, you do have your charging case with the Beats logo, which is nice. So I thought the Beats was actually gonna be like this white color, but it's actually not. So it's like this black color right there, which looks awesome. So of course we got this nice white matte finish. It's not glossy, so you're not gonna have any fingerprints on it, which is always a good thing. Oh my God, this color looks awesome too. The bottom, of course, you do have your charging port. And then as soon as we open them, bam, ooh, damn. These look really, really good. So here we do have the white Beat Studio Buds. So let's actually take them out so you guys can see them better. So here we do have the white Beat Studio Buds. And as you can see color-wise, it actually looks great. So we got this nice two-tone color, which it kind of does not look white. It kind of looks grayish with white. Like a smoky gray. But overall, they look great. I like that glossy finish on the top, which is a physical dedicated button for your music. And we also have this nice matte finish on the other side. So like I said, design-wise, it looks weird, but I'm definitely digging the design. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing on all the colors for the Beats Studio Buds. Make sure to like this video, favorite this video as well, because it does help me a bunch. Comment down below letting me know which one is your favorite color. Is it the white one? Is it the black one? Or is it the red one? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.